Hello kids, today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, this is 1. 1 for 1 chocolate. This is 2. 2 for 2 chocolate. This is 3. 3 for 3 chocolate. This is 4. 4 for 4 chocolate. This is 4 chocolate. This is 5. 5 for 5 chocolate. You get 5 chocolate. This is 6. 6. 6 for 6 chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chocolate. 6 chocolate. This is 7. 7 for 7 chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chocolate. This is 8. 8 for 8 chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chocolate. You get 8 chocolate. This is 9. This is 9. 9 for 9 chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chocolate. This is 10. 1, 0, 10. 10. You get 10 chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you kids. Bye bye.